on YouTube? How is everybody doing out there? Hope everybody's doing well. It's your boy DS Dan back with a review for you guys. As you guys can see, we got the Air Jordan 1 Spider-Man's on deck. About to get into a detailed review and an on feet. Before we get into this review, make sure you guys, even if you're new, hit that thumbs up. Click that subscribe button and don't forget to click the notification bell so you guys can get notified when I upload videos like. Let's jump straight into the review. Air Jordan 1 Spider-Man. Jordan Brand is celebrating the release of Spider-Man the movie Into the Spider-Verse with special edition Air Jordan 1 High OG Origin Stories. Yes, I didn't get to see the movie yet, but I'm definitely going to go check it out. We want to see what the quality looks like on these bad boys, so let's get into it. Comes in your typical Jordan 1 box, nothing special at all. We do not get that special box. I kind of wish we did. That would have been crazy. Typical Jordan 1 with that Chicago look to it, that Chicago 1 feel. It does have, you can see these polka dots throughout the shoe. That is basically the 3M, and I will give you guys a picture of that. You got that tumble leather in the front, man. The quality is A1, like real soft, you know what I'm saying? You got your tumble with your white on the front of the toe with your perforated holes. And you do got the red in front of the toe box. Now, the red in the front, the leather is kind of like, it's soft, but it's kind of like rugged to it a little bit also. I don't know if it's because the 3M is on it. Does come with 2 sets of laces, okay? Comes with your black laces, your red lace tips, and it also comes with your red laces with the blue lace tips. Going up on the tongue, you got your nylon on the tongue. Air Jordan in that nice Spidey blue with the red Nike Air branding on the tongue. Or all white midsole that goes around the whole shoe. Got your black swoosh right there. Now over here on the side, as you can see, you got your nice leather right there with these little polka dots. Now, a lot of people ain't feeling them polka dots, but I think it's dope, man. Do got your Air Jordan wing right there in black. All right, and over here you can see your tumble leather right there where the white is. Medial side, same as the lateral. You got your red, your white, your black, your tumble over here, white on the midsole, and you do have that 3M. Back of the shoe. Show you guys them both together. Still feels nice. It still feels good in the back. Inside, you got a nice blue in there with the red Nike Air branding on that inner sole. Bottom, iced out bottom. But you know what? I think this is dope. I like the icy bottom. Something different, you know. And you got your Nike Air branding right there, iced out. That's basically it. Straight to the point, quick review. I honestly say these was a must cop, man. I love the way they look. Quality's A1. I love Spider-Man, of course, who don't, you know. I'm going to show you guys what they look like on feet. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. If you guys looking to pick these up, man, for sizing, I do recommend you go true to size on Jordan 1s, like I always say. If you guys looking to pick these up, man, you probably will have to go to StockX. They're going for around $350, $330. Maybe you could be lucky if you get them for $300. The resale went up, and I have a feeling it's going to go more up. All right, man, enough talking. Let's get straight into this on feet. Hope you guys enjoy. It's your boy DS Dan. Let's get it. Let's go. And I'm gone.
Yeah. Real niggas trying to get out, fake niggas trying to fit in. Yeah. That fun shit, man. Yeah. I told my nigga I'm one call away. If you need me there, I lose it all today. We been through so much, look at how far we came. If I go down, you can charge it to the game. I got your back until we meet again. And my heart is where I keep you, friend. Niggas said that they gon' ride, they don't even spin. Niggas said that they gon' ride.
They don't love you till you dead, I can see it clear. A lot of niggas say they with you, but they never there. I was just posted up with schools, making up a plan. And now I'm sitting at his grave, wishing he was here. It's fucked up, but I get it now. We going up and they want us down. Wish I was there when them niggas around. I'm tryna put a body in the ground. We been them niggas since niggas was down. Word around town, niggas running the town. For all of my niggas, they making no sound. I stay in the ocean, a few niggas drown. Yeah, you keep it 100, I keep it 1,000. I got a dream and they doubt it. Now when they see me, them bitches be shouting. I'm with them niggas who bought it, moving like sign, they post it on Congress. Streets talking, I'm a topic, heard it on my top.
with savages, lot of hammers on the mattresses. I remember not having it, now I maneuver all these packages.
My dog need me, I'ma call away. To get him back and give it all away. Every now and then my mama pray, gotta make it back home today.
I told my nigga I'm one call away. If you need me there, I lose it all today. We been through so much, look at how far we came. So if I go down, you can charge it to the game. I got your back until we meet again. And my heart is where I keep you, friend. Niggas said that they gon' ride, they don't even spin. Niggas said that they gon' ride, they don't even spin.
JTK. This is an MB13 production.